Today, I'm going to teach you how to put a YouTube link in Elementor. This is a great way to embed videos directly into your WordPress pages, making your content more engaging and interactive for visitors. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools necessary to edit your pages and add new elements like videos. The dashboard is your central hub for managing everything on your site. After logging in, navigate to Pages, then click on All Pages. This section displays all the pages you've created on your WordPress site. Here you can manage, edit, or delete any page as needed. For this tutorial, we'll be working with an existing page where you want to add your YouTube video. Now click Edit on the page where you want to embed the YouTube link. This will open up the page editor, giving you access to its content and structure. However, since we're using Elementor, we need to switch to its visual editor for more advanced design capabilities. Look for the button that says Edit with Elementor and click on it. This action will launch the Elementor editor, which provides a powerful drag-and-drop interface for building and customizing your pages. The Elementor editor makes it incredibly easy to add multimedia elements without needing any coding knowledge. Once the Elementor editor is open, you'll see a left panel containing various widgets and elements you can add to your page. Scroll through this panel until you find the video widget. This widget is specifically designed to handle video embeds from multiple sources, including YouTube, Vimeo, and direct video files. Click and drag the video widget from the left panel to your desired section or container on the page. You can place it wherever it makes sense for your layout. With the video widget now on your page, it's time to configure it. Look at the widget settings on the left side of the screen. Under Content, you'll see an option called Source. Click on the drop-down menu next to Source and select YouTube. This tells Elementor that you want to embed a video from YouTube rather than another platform or a self-hosted file. After selecting YouTube as your source, you'll see a field where you can paste your YouTube video link. Simply copy the URL of the YouTube video you want to embed and paste it into this field. Elementor will automatically process the link and display the video player on your page. And there you have it. You've successfully added a YouTube link to your Elementor page, creating a more dynamic and engaging experience for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.